He may run away from Hyderabad, but I will make sure wherever he runs away, I'll follow him. Normally he runs to Delhi, so I'll make sure I'll catch him there. So again, the cost estimation is stupid. And then we say cost overruns. What is your basis of cost estimation? What are your components? How much will it cost? Bottom-up estimation. Sir, 6 crores per megawatts, 9 crores, this. Rough estimation. Why rough? What is the coal component? What is the ash content? How much is the productivity of energy? What will be the cost of production? You should be absolutely correct that 660 megawatts will cost 3,659 crores. And this is the breakup based on the cost. So there is a risk in the cost. So when cost overrun takes place, it's because of cost bad estimation. Time because of this pressure. Scope change. Then comes quality, risk. You produce something very fast, risk. Then comes human resource maximum risk. अगर किसी को कुछ कह दिया आपने for 7 days, he will not see your eye to eye contact. Zero. Most risky is human resource. I'm giving you another anecdote. This must be storyteller. You should be storytelling. Otherwise you don't do, then you don't make a point. When I used to be in BHEL, I was not so mature and mellowed down. I was very ferocious also. Young fellow, a lot of these things, want to do something in BHEL, have a top management support, I will go and push myself. You got to do this computerization, got to do this, in charge of all the computers of BHEL, Bhopal, Haridwar, Dela. 78, 79, 77, I'm talking, young. So as a head of computerization unit and project management of BHEL from Delhi, must have gone to Bhopal one day, EDP coordination meeting, that time we used to call EDP. And I might have said something to somebody. He was from IIT Chennai, working in Bhopal. I might have said something, I don't remember. I met him in 2007 in Global Symposium. I don't have to disclose his name. He attended this Global Symposium we are doing for 20 years, 22 years. And on the third day, at lunchtime, as we are finishing lunch, he comes to me. Sir, you may not recognize me. I said, Kya hua? What happened? Sir, I was in Bhopal unit in the computer section. I said, yeah, I started grabbing him. How come you are not telling me now? We should have told me, we should have more fun. He said, sir, I was upset with you. I said, yeah, that is why I took the last day to talk to you, because I don't want to talk to you. I said, thank you, you don't want to talk, you are talking to me, but you tell me why you don't want to talk to me. He says, sir, in front of everybody, when you were the head, you told me that this idea is stupid. That one thing, 77, 78, 22 years there and 7 years, 29 years. He is keeping that as a risk. I said, sorry, I apologize. In Jain Dharam, there is called Chama Vani. So kindly, no, sir, don't fold it. I'll touch your feet, you're my guru. I converted this risk factor of 29 years. See, in life it happens. Now I have learned that. If you would have said that to me at 80, sir, I'm upset with you, you should not have told me I'm stupid. In 1980, when I was in power, I would say, you stupid, you are stupid to the power 2. Because you see, it depends. We should understand as the changes climate, we change our behavior. At that time, the behavior sometimes was necessary. Maybe I was not mature enough. Maybe I was a little bit having a little taste of power. Who knows? But I'm admitting it. But now, not today.
I was there in 1969. 68, 69.
I have not upset you, sir.
There is a hostel for apprentices.
In BHEL.
So I stayed there. For Mr. Narayanan, who was AG Rajasthan.
Yes.
He became FNCA. somebody from railway board, he was the chairman of HEI.
Yes. So this human resource is very risky. If you do not keep this information like this gentleman, you just, because it will affect your performance. In the morning, in spite of telling, the two professors were going back. And I was wondering why suddenly Sai Kumar goes this way and the professor was going this way. Why were they going? I have not asked them. Trust me. I thought that they are going because they have noticed some murmur going on at the back and they wanted to supervise that murmur, not to have murmur. Director has said this in the morning, it cannot be just violated. You have no reason to violation. Once you agree with the principles, you have zero flexibility. Zero flexibility. You may not agree. Sir, no, there's a talk, I will talk. You may disagree on that. But then we'll play music. If you say, sir, we'll talk. We'll not talk here in project management. We'll start that music. Dum. No, talk. It's a serious business. He has been after 2 months to come here for Monday. It's serious business for me. I came 3 days ago, I'm here, and yesterday IMI, tomorrow night, I got a call from Hydro Convention. Some come at 10:30 at Metro Hotel, some Hydro Convention. Half an hour, 1 hour ago, night ago. The human resource, the point I'm raising here is, please remember, now you are a young age. If you want to do this, make sure you build teams. Procurement is the risk, lowest, sometimes. The lowest could also give you problem. Communication is risk. You don't confirm what is it. And integration is the risk. In integrating, you have risk. So the center stage of all these things which we do in our life, in our projects, are these 9 elements of the risk. This shows you why the theme of this today's talk is risk management is at the center stage of projects. Now, when you have objectives, requirements, what you want to do risk management. Everything have you taken into account? Anything missing? When you decide your work breakdown structure in project, do risk management. When you estimate time and cost, do a risk assessment. When you schedule, risk assessment. Make your baseline, how much time will it take, risk management. 4:40, yes, I will close. And this is again, 7th slide today, I'm showing you, which will change your understanding. Strategic risks are maximum. The length of the arrow is the maximum uncertainty. At the Prime Minister level, uncertainty is maximum. Any decision taken by him can have larger implication for whole of India. Integration of energy maps, oil and gas, any decision of the Rajan, the RBI governor, these are at the strategic level. At the strategic level, to initiate new programs in IPE is the highest at the level of director, IPE. How will it work? Which will work? What diploma? How many clients? How marketing? How many people enrollment? What is employability we do? What do we do? Maximum. So this is the strategic level. Risk is, length is proportional to uncertainty and risk. Middle level, the risk is less. And the lowest level, the risk, at the project level, risk should be minimum. There will be risk, should be minimum. If we don't do good strategic planning, we are in hurry. We want to show everybody that we are doing this. The small arrow gets shifted here, and the big arrow shifted at the project level. We have installed power stations, but there is no coal from India own production to supply to them. It should have been done at the top level. Way back in 2008, 2009, I came out with the approach, integrated energy resource map, resource planning, ERP, energy resource planning, IERP. At what level we should have hydro, conventional planning commission, or anybody can do that. A complete picture, year by year, how will it work? Maximum risk is when you say in 2025, I shall be the third largest economy. Prediction of any kind is the most risky in the world. Prediction with supplementary that for 9 years from now, 11 years from now, if we have to be third economy, this is what I should become in 2016. This is what I should become in 2017 or 18, milestones. Unless the larger chunk is not divided, it is not worth talking about it. Most stupid things we do when we create a big chunk without giving milestones how to measure that chunk. But the person who is predicting is 85 years old. Next 3-4 years, there could be a obituary column for him. He is not responsible. So therefore, coming back to the normal thinking, we need to look at this integrated view, look at the strategic level, which is the key for country. Developed nations pay a lot of emphasis at the strategic level. Port, new port is coming in Rotterdam. Rotterdam is third biggest port after Shanghai, Singapore, Rotterdam. And they wanted to build more. Last 3 years, marvelous exercise they have done. I was recently there. That man presented a paper. So this is a very important slide for you as youngsters. You are going to make IP the great institution because you will work hard, you will present yourself, overcome your shortcomings, improve soft skills, improve your knowledge. Don't think about yourself as just ordinary. As he said, I repeat, entrepreneur, business leaders. You are entrepreneurs and business leader simultaneously. A business leader has to be entrepreneur. There's a linkage between the two.
How many of you have read the book Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish?
Very interesting book. Stay hungry.
There is a book, Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish. You have read that? It's a very cheap book, 125 rupees. It is a story of 10 entrepreneurs. I give the name, Educom, Shantanu. Educom, you know, how he started, you know, how his children died, wife was giving divorce, he was in ITN and IAM, he was practically, you know, on the verge of begging. How he turned it around today, Educom is 15,000 crore plus. So there are very good ideas. How an idliwala could become MR Tiffins and how they have patented the food. And now MR Tiffins, they are in more number of countries than the Indian embassy. MR Tiffins, they bring money, Indian embassy, they cost India. I request all of you, 125 rupees is nothing. I think I'll ask them to give that as a concessional rate also. I'll ask library. Nothing else you should read. I also want to tell you, books are there to get issued in library and you must finish them in a day. If you think you'll read them tomorrow, you'll never read. So take a book and don't take food, coffee, tea. That night you should finish. Whatever time you go to bed, that's a different thing. Once you take up a task, either that task should be there or you should be there. You have to bring it to the end of the enemy, end of the person who fights with you. You have to achieve the goal. Once you are on that mission, you must succeed, must achieve. So all of you must read Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish by a lady, but I don't think the name is correct. I'm not able to remember. It's a very small book. The jacket is in that color. What you are being putting your color. Very beautiful book. Very good story. That's what I want all of you. Liberate yourself. Don't become an employee. Otherwise, you will have to take a rebirth. Please create jobs for others. I'll just take 2 minutes because you have been speaking.
please.
But you see the income levels of people in jobs and income levels of people who are in professions. Income of people who are in professions is much lower than the income of people who come take up a job. But every 5 years they go, shoot up like anything. Whereas your income, just goes in linear fashion. So, create, I think, that kind of thing. Then, you are your own employee. You got the point? The beauty is create, I think, something for yourself. And have faith in yourself, as you told. Have faith. Well, Manchini Kali. So, please, I think, create that kind of thing. Just, I think he wanted, because he has been speaking.
Sure.
So I thought that I should.
No, extremely valid point. This, whatever you have said this morning and this is something if you follow on 10%, you're good enough. I'm supplementing his thinking on these fronts. Basically, to have aham brahmosmi, I am the creator. And once you have that self-confidence, entrepreneur, as he said, discipline, nobody will murmur, do this rightly. All these things are values which will make you strong. You don't have to compare ever with anybody. You can do it. My last 3 slides, I just want to cover up risk. The enterprise risk management has 4 components: strategic risk, financial risk, business, both operational and project risk are coming under business. There is no separate column, and hazard risk. Enterprise risk management is going to be a very big program in India. Cost engineering, that we will do together, and enterprise risk management. Oil India is the only one which is doing good work. Coal India, we have done some program. We have 600 PPTs on enterprise risk management. I teach that. So some point in time, maybe not this year, we will be able to work out with IPE. And there somebody is teaching already, so we'll see how we can improve on that. In last 3-4 years, we have created a category called Certified Project Risk Managers. Certified in Project Risk Management, CRT PRM. There are 572 PRT CRM in India, CRT PRM in India. China में इस एरिया में हम उनसे बहुत आगे हैं. This is the only area which I can tell you we are far ahead in comparison to China and many other countries.